smile, them carry tomorrow every mile. Teach them love before them fear. Let every voice be crystal clear. No crown can shine brighter than grace. No nation greater than the human race. Every language, every song, find one rhythm all along. The moon no argue with the sun. Still together they get done. Creation show the perfect plan. Live in peace with fellow man, call and respond. Who give the breath? Voices Jah give the breath. Who light the way? What conquer A? What conquer A? What free the soul? Truth make I hold. Wake up humanity. Rise before the morning fade. Wake up humanity. Walk the path the righteous made. Lift the fallen, feed the poor. Open every loving door. Wake up humanity. Sing until the world is free. Wake up humanity. Shalom is the victory. Congregation chant, one blood, one heart, one people, never apart. One earth, one sky, keep hope alive, never let it die. Jah guide the children, Jah bless the old maid. Every story be bravely told. If today you choose compassion, tomorrow changes. If today you plant kindness, generations will rest beneath its shade. Do not wait for kings, do not wait for leaders. Become the light you have been searching for. Wake up humanity. The dawn is here. Selah. Wake up humanity. Rise before the morning fade. Wake up humanity. Walk the path the righteous made. Lift the fallen, feed the poor. Open every loving door. Wake up humanity. Sing until the world is free. Wake up humanity. Shalom is the victory. Congregation, choose compassion. Tomorrow changes. If today you plant kindness, generations will rest beneath its shade.